Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how to create HTML button like this one. Okay, we have two files, button.html and CSS. Now I want to create one link A and right push and force spawn. Start and select box sizing border box. Okay, and for body margin 0 and padding 0. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, minimum height 100 VH, background 14 13 13. Now select style for A, border radius 12 pixel, border 3 pixel outside, and 8 and 8 color. Now select position relative, display inline block, padding 15 pixel and 30 pixel, color triple E, and text transparent uppercase, letter spacing 4 pixel, overflow hidden, box shadow 0 0 10 pixel, and RGB select 0 0 and 0 1, sorry. Point family Ordana, and font size 28 pixel, font weight boulder, and text decoration none, background linear gradient 160-degree, and two colors 666 and 444. Text shadow 0 pixel 0 pixel 2 pixel, and RGB 0 0 0 and 0.5 or just 0.5. Transition 0.2 second. Now select A dot active, border 3 pixel outset, DDD, color full F, and background linear gradient 160-degree, and also again two colors 666 and 444. Text shadow 0 pixel 0 pixel 10 pixel, color for FFF 0 0 0 80 pixel, and again full color. Transition delay 1 second. Now select a spawn, style for spawn, position absolute display block. Now select a spawn dot nth child 1, top 0, left minus 100 pixel, weight 100 pixel, plus height 2 pixel, background linear gradient 90-degree, transparent, and triple E colors. Now select a active spawn and th child 1, left 100%, transition 1 second. Again select a spawn and th child 2, top minus 100 pixel, right 0, and weight 2 pixel, height 100%, background linear gradient, 180-degree transparent, and triple E. And now select a active spawn and th child 2, top 100%, our transition 1 second, transition delay 0.25 second. A spawn and a child 3 bottom 0 and right minus 100%, width 100% and height 2 pixel. Background linear gradient 270 and transparent triple E. Now select a active nth spawn, nth child 3, right 100%, transition 1 second, transition delay 0.5 second. Now select a spawn and a child 4, bottom minus 100%, left 0 with 2 pixel and height 100%. And also select background linear gradient 360-degree, transparent triple E. And again now select a active spawn and a child 4, select bottom 100% and transition 1 second and transition delay 0.75 pixel. Okay, now come on to HTML pad and run. Okay, this is not working. Why? Come on to a colon active and edit this text shadow to 004 and triple C and select text shadow to box shadow. And now again, okay, this is working.